Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sarkari Naukri. Today we will talk in this video for work from home, jobs or online trainings. Today we will learn in this video that how you can apply for work from home, jobs or online trainings and how you can log in through ncs.gov.in. NCS stands for National Career Services. Before going to the content, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press bell icon for more informative videos. Now we will talk about NCS, National Career Service. Here we have type to ncs.gov.in. This is the official national website of the career services maintained by Ministry of Labour and Employment. So after entering into this website, here in the right side you will see option work from home online trainings. So click on this one, then you will directorate page. Here are some instructions. The spread of coronavirus has turned into a global crisis, leading to disruption of many services and normal life across many countries, including India, which is also under lockdown. In the current scenario, work from home has become the new way of working. Below is the list activities available on NCS portal that can be undertaken from home. If you want to apply for work from home, then you have to click here, click on work from home jobs. Then you will be directed to the page. So many different jobs are there. You can see first one is sales coordinator, IT sales, company name Unisync Marketing Services, job location Hyderabad, Telangana, salary package 1,20,000 to 1,44,000 per annual, skills required sales coordinator, job description is also given. After that, next job is looking for relationship manager, experience 1 to 3 years, company name White Hat Education Technology Private Limited, job location Mumbai, Maharashtra, salary package is 1,80,000 to 4,80,000 per annual, skills required relationship manager, customer engagement, relationship executive. JD is also given. Here are many jobs. You can read all the instruction according to company. For example, I'm going to click this sales coordinator IT sales. Then you will direct it on this page. Here are the all details of this company. This is the job ID. Salary package is 10,000 to 12,000 per month. Number of opening is 1. Posted date of this job is 22nd July 2020. Company name is Unisum Marketing Services. Organization type proprietorship. Job title sales coordinator IT sales. Functional area marketing and sales. Functional role others. Job description is also given here. According to your qualification, minimum qualification is graduate. Total experience is 2 to 4 years. Job location Hyderabad. Nature of job full time or part time or work from home. Salary package 10,000 to 12,000 per month. Last date of apply 31st July 2020. Key skills sales coordinator. Salary wages type monthly. Everything has been given in this. Contact person name is Naresh Chandra and contact number is this one. If you want to apply this job, here is the email ID of HR. Then you can directly email them or apply from here. If you think this job profile is not according to your profile, then you can find other jobs. Just scroll down upside and find. Here you can search your jobs according to your qualification, according to your KRA. Then you have to put some keywords according to your profile. Job location according to you, salary expected, then fill here daily, monthly, weekly average you want. These are the sector in which sector you want to do job. If you want select multiple sectors, you have to hold control button and scroll down. Then you can select multiple sectors from here. Functional area, then you can select any functional area which you want to go, like administration, bank office, casual labor, construction, any type of area you can select according to your job profile or qualifications. Total work experience, job nature, highest level education, gender, ex-serviceman. Then you can search anything. After that, after filling all the requirements, then you have to click on search. So by this way, you can search jobs according to your profile, according to your educational qualification. It is the thing then you can do by simply sitting in this from home and do work from home jobs and online trainings. These things are given by National Career Services, Government of India. So there is no cheating and all. So I hope this video will helpful to you. If you feel this video is helpful, please share this video in your friend circle. For more details, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you.